Hey guys, welcome to a new video of mine. We will be playing some Rainbow Six Siege. I am still banned. For some reason, I have diabetes and I had to leave because I was like high, diabetes high, so I could pass out and die. And I would, like, if you guys could like spread the word like that, I had to leave and do my own thing. It would be nice, like maybe get this video famous or like tell people. Cause like I don't know, I don't think it's fair to me or anyone else that has diabetes that plays any video game that gets kicked out for something that they couldn't really control. Like, it's not my fault, bro. Like, it's like not fair. I don't think it's fair, but it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. We'll be playing quick match today. I'll lock in for you guys. And yeah, if you guys could give me some tips on some operators, I would really like that. That would be very helpful. Maybe like, I really don't know what operator to use, bro. Who's that? I like when you call me Big Papa. With hands in the air and like a true player. But yeah, I've been feeling good today with shopping stuff. I don't know if I could say the places or like I went to, but I went to like get some like swim trunks because we're going to this place, like a swimming place. I don't know. I don't want to get like it's like it's cool. I've been there before. You've been there before. It's winter right now, or like spring break for you guys, but I can't really do anything like say it because I don't want to get in trouble from YouTube. And yeah, it'll probably be like terrible if I get in trouble, so I'll probably get banned. Like, I don't want to get banned from YouTube. Just keep on posting like these incredible videos. So yeah. This is taking forever, Vigil. Hurry up, Vigil. I got truth, man. I like when you call me Big Papa. Also, if you guys can carry me, that'd be nice. Because as you can see, like, I'm good. I'm just like, I wouldn't say too good. Like, I want to get some renown, see if I could, like, see if I can do something. I want to, like, get up to ranked play and, like, see how good I will be.
I'm on guard. Bench ready.
10 seconds left.
Oh my god, that was terrible.
Dropping down my +1.
Because I
5 seconds left.
this,
Op 4 has located a bomb.
so I can't go over
Always room
here.
for more.
I didn't know that was open. Okay, so
Having my +1. Proximity alarm out. Proximity.
He killed him. That makes more sense. Dead? Sorry, my bad.
Reloading! Cover me!
One friendly remaining. Op 4, last operator standing.
Wait, what?
Mission
Huh?
failed. All friendlies have been neutralized.
I'm so confused. I'm so confused, bro. That's even. Yeah, let's go. Let's go, look. Bro, how did I sell, bro? Let me see that,
Be
bro.
ready to eliminate hostiles.
We are all set. Banshee deployed.
Bro. Let me finish this game. I ain't gonna take it all the way up.
Down to 10 seconds. 5 seconds to insertion.
Alright, I think we need more like peaks. Like that.
Op 4 has located the bomb. Get ready to engage.
I want to shoot this out. Run this. Oh, damn it.
Setting my +1.
We want to barricade that too.
Throwing proximity alarm. I'm on that. Banshee is ready.
Bomb flying is up.
Oh no! That's good aim. That's good aim. Good aim. Oh no! Just gotta hide. I'm gonna heal myself because I'm probably gonna die. Bro, what? Oh my god. If you're so... Listen, bro. Listen. Linda, you're right there, bro. You're like right there. Why are you not shooting, bro? He's like right to... He's in there.
New mag.
Abelo, whatever your name is. He's right there. He's in the other room. He's in the other room. Be careful. It's Ash. Ash is in that room to your left where I shot at that peek at. I am not lying.
One Op 4 remaining.
Bro. Destroy the spikes right there so you could get more movement. Like the squid guy. Just camping. Shoot them out. Shoot them out. Shoot them out. Shoot them out. Shoot them out, bro. Don't play AFK, bro. Oh, there's one of them. Because if you break them, then they can't see you. Thank you, tree guy. Whatever your name is.
Down to 15 seconds.
Loading new meg.
10 seconds to go. 5 seconds to go. The time limit has been reached.
Nah, yeah. What? Oh, I'm just gonna. It's a quick game. So it's like 15 minutes. Oh my god. You really came here to play me college? That's crazy. Let's go! We got Deimos. Oh my god, we got Deimos Buck. Oh my god, this is such a good team, bro. We're gonna cook. We're cook. Maybe have sledge. Bro, Deimos is so good. We look at track where they at, so it's good. Thank God we're finally in.
Friendly drone deployed. Op 4
I
is
have
reinforcing its
these
location.
lucid dreams where I can begin thinking of you in the Sigma. You were my yachting thing, thoughts of a yachting ring. I just went the wrong way
Insertion in 10
again.
seconds.
I do not remember this map, bro.
5 seconds.
This map is terrible. It's Dookie. Pistol,
You've
pistol,
located a
pistol.
bomb. Make your way to its location
Oh.
and defuse it.
Pistol all out.
Replicator out!
You have dropped the diffuser.
Loading mag.
Bro, how is that guy not dead? I'm so
One friendly
confused.
operator remaining.
Whoa. That was all but I killed him. That guy is supposed to be dead, bro. Kind of like how more zoomed in is. Yeah, I was supposed to say using it. And we
Op
lost.
4 eliminated all friendlies.
Hey, that was a great peek. Good aim. Hey, I'm not gonna lie, that was good aim. Hey, put a W in the chat for the other team. Team red. Hey, that was good aim. Or L for red. But like, yeah, I kind of sold. It's just, I don't know how I didn't die. It's just crazy to me. Or that guy didn't die. If he didn't die, I would have won. I forgot you could change characters. That's good. You could change. Ash, bro. You're so trash. I'm joking. No, your just Wi-Fi's just kind of trash. So it's taking forever. Bro, can this local be girl get out the screen? What is that? Diddy D1. That's the best name.
Friendly drone deployed. Op 4 is reinforcing its location.
Change your scope. I'm gonna change my scope, and then I'll cook with the scope. So right here is probably the best way to go out, cause then no, like, first floor. Oh, what is this? What is? I just no.
10 seconds before insertion. Insertion in 5 seconds.
Okay, we got that.
You've located a bomb. Make your way to its location and defuse it. Recover the diffuser. The diffuser has been secured.
Holy shit! There's like 3 of them and I save him. That's crazy. No, just jump. Oh. Okay, yeah. I'm not gonna yap because you actually did a good play, not me. Did I carry, bro? I'm carrying, bro. Third place. I feel like this team's just like really good. They have good aim and they just know where everyone is. I feel like I should just flashbang and drone. I feel like that would have been probably smarter. Think it through. Alright, you killed one person. Go Rando Kabi.
Reload!
Call now. Call him on the cell phone. Yes.
Time for a wake-up call.
Told you, bro.
Stun grenade.
Friendly, last operator standing.
Oh, you have black eyes, right? Is that black eyes?
Seconds remaining.
Alright, wait.
10 seconds remaining.
Holy
5
shark,
seconds.
bro. You're cooking.
Op 4 last stop standing. Time limit reached.
Lost. That is annoying. It's fine, though. Got second place. Alrighty. Alrighty, guys. Have a good day. See you later. Bye.